tired. I'm so tired.
Like, I'm sitting there asking myself, how did this interview go the wrong way before we even start? Let me ever tell you. Me never know why I'm still sitting here. Cause apart from him tell me say my hand dry or lotion, him tell me say me I get old. Listen, when we talk, let me get to what I'm paid to. When we talk about anti-aging, the conversation usually starts and ends with the face. But many experts say the hands can actually reveal our age even sooner. Simone is joined, coming to ask him one question this morning by dermatologist Dr. Rodane Ruddock of Dr. Ruddock's Dermatology.
Yeah, lovely.
Parents waste their money sending back to school.
Dr. Dermatology and shaming.
To discuss ways we can keep the skin on our hands healthy and youthful. Me done now. And them have to pay me for this. I'm introduce him.
They said, Doc, I getting these spots on my hands. What do you think it is? Them dry.
Them dry. And let him go to school. Go.
It's a sign of aging.
It's a sign of aging, and it's a very good thing. It's a very good thing. That's God's gift to you, that you're alive and well. Can't you tell?
Your parents waste money sending to school.
Then he said, Dada, are you pausing? Are you playing? And Harris was like,
what? Stop.
I was like, menopause.
Stop.
Stop. No playing here. Anyway.
Someone take it from
I'm
here.
going to take it back for you, my love.
Take it from you.
Good morning, Doc.
Good morning.
It's
How
good
are
to
you?
have you.
Happy to be here. You know, the first time was nice, so we got to do it twice, right there.
Doc, what actually happens to our hands as we age? We know we get sometimes sagging skin on the face, the neck starts it. What happens to that?
Okay, so there's a very important cell in our body called fibroblasts. And as we age, fibroblast activity gets lower. Right?
Is she giving you the stink eye?
She's giving me a beautiful eye.
I'm
right?
trying to learn.
However, we like to group them as aging of the hands, because aging can be all over the body. But aging of the hands, think about intrinsic versus extrinsic factors, okay? So one of the intrinsic factors, how we see it, is dryness, right? Wrinkling, and loss of volume. So there's reduced collagen that everybody likes to talk about. There is reduced fat, reduced muscle mass, reduced elastic fibers. So you find that your skin gets very fragile, very flexible. Now, extrinsically, since our hands, we use it to interact with the environment, it's always touching something and it's dirty, so we wash it. It gets hit up on the desk, traumatized. You use nice lotions with a lot of fragrance, you get an eczema. And that also accelerates the aging for our hands.
What are some signs of aging on the hands then?
So signs of aging: increased wrinkle, increased dryness. We call it fragility of the skin, easy bruisability, we will call solar purpura, right? And when you look on the hands, you can see
solar what?
purpura. You have to give her some academic, injection. And when you look on the hands, you'll see a lot of veins and a lot of tendons. It's almost like there's no fat or there's no covering of those.
Wow.
We're in 2026 though, right? So if we can Botox our face and microneedle our necks, what are we doing for our hands?
Okay, so this is 2026. I love how you started that. So there are new waves.
Lotion.
Like lotion, the good hand lotion. But they are peptides, okay? So they are peptides that are like GHK copper, that's new and emerging, and that is thought to increase fibroblast activity. So that's something that will be on the way.
That's a topical?
That's something that you might inject, you might rub it on your skin. It's a proper supplement. The next thing that we can think about is liquid sunscreen, because sun protection will be the mainstay of good skin, good hands, right? Because it blocks all the UV damages coming in.
Okay.
There's an oral medication, and I want Dayla to say it.
What?
We'll call it oral sunscreen. Polypodium leukotomas.
Polypodium leukotomas.
So like a Harry Potter spell, right? I love Harry Potter. So that is actually a liquid sunscreen, and that helps our body that basically helps the sunscreen to work better when we put it on our skin.
I wonder why
So-
I need more for
I'm not sure. I was gonna ask, but I didn't want to prolong his suffering any further.
Like I make a go to the pharmacist and say, do you have any
Polypodium leukotomas.
Polypodium leukotomas.
Polypodium leukotomas. And your skin is, you know, very good at that.
That's for skin, generally, and not just your...
No, it's for, so everything is going to be for skin.
Okay.
But then, you know, the hand is, we have to, so for the hand, what we focus more so on is heavy moisturization. Because you're going to wash your hand way more than you wash your face.
For sure.
So it's going to be very, very dry. So you need a thicker moisturizer with shea butter, glycerin. The optimum one should have a little bit of retinol, right? Because retinol helps to build back your collagen. Yes.
What?
And sunscreen because sun protection. Did you guys know that there are special tints to stop sun from hitting your hands? There are special gloves to stop sun from hitting your hands because you're going to put on a sunscreen in the mornings and you're going to do nothing for hair. And this is what's exposed mostly to the elements.
Oh, facts.
You said the shea. Are there other things?
Glycerin. So shea, glycerin, retinol. So those are the mainstay, and then sunscreen will block all of that. So those are some primary things that
What are some of the things we're doing wrong in terms of the moisturizers we are using?
So the moisturizers we are using are, one, we're not applying it enough, and two, it's probably too thin for hands. So you know, like when you want to put any moisturizer on your face, it's always thin and nice and soft. For the hands, by the time you go left and go right, it's gone because you're going to be using your hands.
Oh,
so
you know
need
the irony, sometimes you apply the stuff to your face and then you wash off your hand.
And wash off it. Exactly.
Wash off the moisturizer before you just...
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's very,
But
very
don't a lot of them are just perfumey
Yeah. So
foolishness?
a lot of them are perfume foolishness. I agree. So that is why you have to look for like main ingredients in them. So you have to look. So anything that says hand cream 90% of the time is going to be good, and you want to say hand cream without fragrance. So that is a little bit better. And if it says hand cream without fragrance with retinol, it's even better. And if it has sunscreen, it's the best. So that's a very, very good combo.
Jeez, I'm not even shop for my face much as my hand, you know. Simone, what?
You guys should come to my office, you know. I will give you all the deets.
So you guys know, apparently I'm
Hold
not
on, I'll give you the deets. I'm going to give you the products, you know. I'm going to give you the deets.
And the products.
Okay.
When should you start preventatively doing what you do so that...
The sooner the better, right? The sooner the better. Because you don't want it to reach to a point where you have to come to us to spend a lot of money, you know? You have to go to the pharmacy from now. Because when you come to the dermatologist...
Why are you pointing at me?
Doc,
stop traumatizing my
I am not traumatized.
I'm
not traumatized.
Because when you come to us, you know, what we're going to be doing for you, depending on how you're... Because you're going to have volume loss at a certain time. We're going to be giving you fillers in your hand.
I don't want none of that.
You can get some fillers and some Botox.
In your hand?
Yeah, so you get fillers in your hand, and that builds back that volume for you. That volume is going to be very important.
In your hand?
Have you ever looked on your grandmother's hand and you see all of the bone and the stuff?
Yeah, but she's my grandmother. I don't expect her hand to look like when she was 60.
But some grandmothers are fine.
Doc, can I ask a serious question?
Yeah.
Who's, maybe you're wrong,
a lot
who's
of
looking
people.
at your hands?
Everybody. That's the first thing I see when I shake your hand. Good morning. How are you?
No, you're looking in my eyes.
Well, I'm a dermatologist.
No,
I'm definitely looking at your hand.
No, you just looked in my eyes.
I am looking.
You stretch your hand.
And then I'm saying, oh my God, this is so moisturized. You used moisturizer just now.
I'm tired of
Did you give some to Delia? You know, like that's what we need to know.
Wow, Doc. No,
but now look at him, his parents waste their money.
We just need to know. We just need to know.
Okay, so we're just, you know, anecdotally, we're not coming, but where is your...
Never go!
Delia actually came already. You know? So don't let Delia say otherwise. You know, we spoke.
I don't know why one
Delia, we talk on the phone.
Early morning
she's acting new, but you know we know each other. This is our second time.
Are you calling my friend a liar?
No, it's the second time we met on the set.
Oh, but he said you went to his house.
Delia, you're disowning me, Delia.
Oh my!
On national TV.
Wow!
Where's the camera? Camera, guys. We love Delia, okay? And Delia loves us.
I'm not sure, Doc. I'm not sure about the second half of that equation. Where is your practice?
In New Kingston, 5 Holborn Road. Right, Dela?
I know where you're in the same complex with Dr. Shane Alexis.
Right next door.
That's my doctor.
He's my neighbor.
Oh, he's my friend.
Excellent.
Okay, well, I shall ask him about
This reunion was brought to you by...
Oh, gosh, if you're concerned about your hands, then please go and see Dr. Ruddock. He will give it to you straight, no chaser.
No chaser.
And then after you talk to him and he fix your hand, you might want to go to a psychologist because your head is...
You might not, you might, yes. Right?
We actually have a psychiatrist right next to it, but so it's fine. We'll sort you out. One-stop shop.
I can't even do the outro for this. I'm speechless.
Thankfully, that was Dr. Rodane Ruddock, dermatologist. Dr. Ruddock, dermatology. I rub like olive oil. I look on him. After the break, we meet two women whose mentor-mentee relationship has blossomed into a powerful sisterhood. I'm sure them have lotion.
Oh, God, have mercy.